Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with RPGSHOW again. So I got my box in this drawstring bag, which is branded. Everything is always branded. This is the same packaging as always, which is always so classy and clean. So that's always super nice. I love how they keep things very consistent when it comes down to their quality. So I got this envelope with a wax stick, and I got 2 absorbers, a branded edge band, and a RPGSHOW magazine. So professional. Always so professional. I got a pair of wig caps, and I also got the invoice. This basically just shows the information of the wig and all of that. And then I got some lace tapes. Then this is their bag that you can use to store your wig after you're done with cleansing and wearing it and whatever. So this is today's wig, guys. It is a gorgeous blonde bob. So you see that the roots are dark and the rest of it is basically like a nice ash blonde vibe. Now I'm gonna put all the specifications down below in the description box, so please go ahead and check it out. The length, specifically the density, all that good stuff. The knots on this lace is already bleached. It's a really nice HD Swiss lace, and the band on the inside of this is adjustable and it's branded. We also have 2 adjustable straps in the back and combs inside of the cap. So this is a very secure wig. I love this. Listen, most of the times when I do blonde now, I usually do it directly from the root, but this was flawlessly colored. Like, the color job is so professional looking, and it really does look so good. It's a very classy blonde bob vibe. So yeah, girl, if you're looking for something like this, yeah, definitely looks super good. So as you can see, it's processed, so the texture of the hair is on the coarser side, so please make note of that. I did get minimal shedding as well, so that is something to note. I was just removing the excess lace. This is a glueless wig. Sorry, I forgot to mention, but RPGSHOW always has like some really bomb glueless wigs. Of course, if you want to go ahead and use adhesive, you can go ahead and feel free to do so, but ultimately their wigs are glueless. So I love that their wigs are perfect for beginners, So I take a little bit of my lace bond spray, and I'm showing you guys the rest of the lace is adhesive-less, because that's the only area I applied some of my spray to tap down the sides. But I'm showing you the body of this wig, guys. It is so full, so fluffy, and I was parting through the lace to show you guys how much lace space you have to work with. The lace front itself is very undetectable. All right, now this is a parting that came in it initially. It's not the side that I wear it on, so that's why I was showing you guys. I was kind of shaking my head, so I switched it over, and I'm just pretty much going through the top to get it nice and laid, because as you can see, it's because I'm parting it on the opposite side, so of course it's going to be a little lumpy there. So I'm just getting that flat with my hot comb, and I just took my time and thoroughly went through that with my wax stick and my hot comb. But the wig feels healthy, like when you're working with healthy hair, that's how this feels.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
So after I was done with that, I pretty much just went through the very front with my curling iron. I wanted to add more body to the bangs, and I wanted to define them a little bit more. The rest of the wig, I absolutely love the body that it has. Like, it's like, usually with RPGSHOW wigs, they kind of come pre-styled in a way. They're always so nicely done. You could take it straight out of the box and wear it. So yeah, so I pretty much, because I flipped it over, as you guys saw, to the next side for the party, because I wear my bangs on my right side, I pretty much decided to go ahead and run through that with my curling iron. I love the way this hair holds a curl, by the way. Super nice. So yeah, it wasn't much to it.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know when my heart beat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how we're looking. Such an easy wig to mold. So you're liking, like, look at that. It looks so classy. It's giving I should go to a classy, event right now, because the wig is definitely giving like a special occasion vibe. But yeah, this is it for today's wig look. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to RPG Hair. They did their thing on this. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link. Oh, and I also made the parting more precise here, as you can see. But yeah, I'm gonna put the direct link in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. All the specifications are listed down below. Any discount code I may have or anything like that will be listed as well. So go ahead, check that out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.